Hi everyone! So I've been seeing this viral Dubai Chewy cookie all over the internet. So I decided to make one for myself. And let's get started. So first, I did melt the butter. Once it's fully melted, we're gonna add the kataifi. Now, we're going to stir it until it gets that beautiful golden brown color. After that, I'm just going to transfer the kanaifi into a bowl. Next, I'll grab the pistachio spread and mix it with the kataifi. Okay, so let's just make sure to mix it really well because that's what makes the filling taste even better. Once it's done, we're just gonna mold it into round balls and place them into a baking sheet. As you can see, it doesn't have to be perfect like mine, but just trust the process. So, I thought I was recording while melting the marshmallows, but I guess I wasn't. Anyway, I melted them with butter on low heat, and yes, I used the whole bag. Once you get the consistency you like for the marshmallows, we're going to add the cocoa powder and some milk powder. As you can see, I didn't measure anything, I just eyeball it because I'm that good. Yes, I am good. Then, just continue mixing it until everything is well combined. Then, I saw online that you're supposed to pour it onto a parchment paper so it doesn't stick. So that's what I did. This was so hard and sticky, so I grabbed a spoon thinking it will help, but I actually just made it more difficult because I was holding way too many things, as you can see. And you see that smile? I'm so excited to put everything together. But that smile didn't last long because the marshmallow ended up sticking to the parchment paper. So yeah, the internet lied to me. I was low-key getting sad at this point, but I stayed positive and I kept flattening the marshmallow with my hands. Then, I continue putting the kataifi filling into the marshmallow. Okay, so the struggle is real here. Behind the scene, I was already complaining to my boyfriend at this point and telling him this is a fail. And yes, this is a fail. But I didn't give up because I'm that good. I decided to wet my hands with cold water and it worked. I didn't take a video, but it worked. And now I'm just out here enjoying my hard work because we made it. Now it's my boyfriend's turn to taste it, and he approved. I'm so proud of myself. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something and enjoy the process. Thank you so much for being here. Bye! What you think?
Good enough.
For the vlog.
That's it.